How to change Uber country. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another tutorial, and on this video we will see how we can change Uber country. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, launch the Uber application and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Once you're on your home page, now navigate to bottom right corner and tap on account icon. Now under this account page, tap on help option on this interface. Here, tap on account. Here, look for an option if you can find out the option to change your country. If not, tap on I need to contact support. Here, you have to contact to Uber contact support or customer support to change your country. So first of all, you have to type in name on your account. Type in your correct name. Under that, you have to provide your phone number. So first of all, choose your country. Then type in your correct number. Under that, toggle on this option that is other, and here you have a text box to share your issue. So simply type in I want to change the country of my Uber account. So I need help with that. Once you're done typing in your issue, you can simply tap on submit. And once this is submitted to Uber customer service, it will review your issue and will get back to you with the instructions or help to change your country in Uber. So you have to follow the instructions, and that's how you can change your country in Uber. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.